How to accept an invitation to join a trip on Airbnb. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a quick and easy tutorial in order to do so you can follow others' method for that. So open up the Airbnb application. You can open up the Airbnb application and make sure you're logged into the account where the invite was sent. After that, you can go to the option called inbox of messages and tap on it. And there we can just go over and open up the message that says that you have been invited to join a trip. You can tap on that in order to accept the invitation and you will be added to the trip. If not here, you can open up the trip invitation message from any other application such as email, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. and head over and open it up. For example, email. So go ahead and find the link and tap on the link. And once you tap on the link, you will be directly headed over the trip. You can just go over and open it up. Sometimes it's on your spam or promotions if it came by email. And make sure you're logged in into the same email or account that the invite was sent to. Or you can ask the trip organizer to resend the invitation and you will be directly redirected to the hotel or what they're trying to share the invitation for. You can just go over and check it out and you should be able to open it up on your application directly. You can just go over and find it up and open up the invitation. You can accept the invitation, you can view other trip details, etc. and message the host, get check-in info. They cannot change the booking or cancel it unless you give the permission. So just go over and give the necessary permission and make sure the guest uses the same email that you've invited into. And invitations work even if the person does not have a Airbnb account, so you can just go over and share it, and you can also remove a guest letter from the trip details if needed. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.